I'm here with a flip through of our basic elegant journal. This was a beginner journal series that I did on my channel. The cover is 9x6. It's one signature sewn in with a 3-hole pamphlet stitch. I've used, what did I use? I've used Theodosia Square papers to decorate the cover, front cover, back cover, and I've got a simple seam binding closure. On the inside we've got a postcard pocket with a tag. This tag is a piece folded in half and cut into a tag shape, so there's double journaling space inside. I've used one of the papers from Theodosia to cover that. The postcard is just a free domain item, and these papers in Theodosia are real pretty. I've sewn some cotton lace trim to all of the designer pages. I've got a number 10 envelope folded in the middle, or sewn into the middle with a pocket, or as a pocket. I'm trying to get ahead of myself here. I've just got well, we call these a jumbo, but now I notice the jumbo ones are 3 inches. This is a 2-inch paper clip with some ribbon tied to the top. And I've just added that to the envelope. I've got an envelope here that I made out of 8.5 by 11 piece cut in half at 5.5, folded up, glued on the sides, a piece of lace trim on the top, and I've just clipped that over the top. I've got a flip over here that we made out of a 3x6 cutoff. After I did all the pages, I used the cutoffs for the embellishments. I've got a little envelope and a bow here with some lace trim. This is just paper clipped over the pocket. For more information on any of the items in here, you can check the playlist. I'll have the playlist below. This is a cutoff. I've added some extra coffee dyed paper to the middle, so it makes a little booklet. It's just stapled, and that's in our little corner tuck, which is coffee dyed paper with cotton lace. It is a flip up. Another piece of the designer paper, some green ledger. Here's a pocket with just lace trim on the bottom. I tried to keep it very basic. This is just basically a journal card folded in half for journaling. More lace trim. This is one of those coloring books, and I've just coffee dyed the pages. I thought it went well with it. It had butterflies and looks like dandelions and some other things. Coffee dyed paper. I've got a belly band using one of the pieces cut off. Some more journal cards here. Another piece of the Theodosia, coffee dyed doily, coffee dyed, excuse me, coffee dyed paper, another tag. Here's a small envelope that I have just attached some tickets for maybe some secret journaling. Those can be moved. I've just paper clipped those in. And here's the center with our 3-hole pamphlet. I've just tied a piece of lace to the middle, added lace to the sides. And here's the other side of that small envelope, another pocket with a tag, the coffee dyed doily, the designer paper, a couple more journal cards in a horizontal belly band, the other side of the coloring page. Isn't that pretty? Lace trim on the designer pages, coffee dyed paper, another journal card folded in half to use as a journaling spot, the green ledger, coffee dyed paper, another little booklet inside the corner tuck. Here's another flip over and another envelope. Here's the number 10 envelope. I've got another paper clip here. and the designer paper, and I've got another pocket. Sorry about that, guys. Looks like the sun just disappeared, so I hope you can see okay. With a postcard pocket in the back and just simple. I tried to keep it very basic for beginners, and that's why we have the simple seam binding closure, which actually is a good go-to for a closure. And yeah, I guess I will call this basic elegant, or simply elegant, something like that. But this is going to be the giveaway for my 500 subscribers. I was recently featured on Dawn, the Book Vandal Shop, on her YouTube channel. And she took my subbies all the way from 460, and I think at last count I had 954 this morning. So we passed right through 500. So this is going to be my 500 subscriber giveaway. And so if you want to be entered, you need to subscribe to my channel. Go join my Facebook group. The information is in the description box. And leave a comment below. And I think that's it. And then as soon as I get the 46 more, or 44, I don't remember how many I need. I don't even remember what I just said. But as soon as I get the rest of the subscribers, I'm going to be doing another giveaway for my 1,000 subscriber, for achieving 1,000 subscribers. And that is the book that we're working on right now, which is the Shabby Chic French journal. So anyway, share this with your friends if you think they might want to win a journal. Subscribe, join my Facebook group, and comment below. And not necessarily in that order. My Facebook group is closed, but the link is below. You will have to answer a couple of questions to get in, just so I know you're not spam. And that's it. So thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.